all, this is how we Jerry from Mass Communication. I'm again with another video. You can see I have another pack of a capote or overcoat from Zara in front of me. You see guys how we have here this lovely looking capote from Zara. Let me show you more information. Euro, US design. Here the size you can see small, price 89 euro, and many other information written. You can scan the code. Zara, Spain. I have bought this one in Spain. You can see more information written, more tagging, one extra button. Look at the button guys, it's a beautiful button. The design, magnificent. Quality is a quality product. You have one pocket, you have some stitching you have to cut down. Here you have another pocket as well, so you have double pockets, and here you have one stitching you have to cut this off as well, and it's quite thick. Okay, okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.